Hey folks, it's me. In this report, we'll review the recent investment by Fear BioCapital into Ten63 Therapeutics, a private biotech company developing novel inhibitors of the undruggable oncogenic driver MYC. We will evaluate Ten63's platform and product value proposition, assess the size and evolution of the market niche, consider the company's status of due diligence findings, project key catalysts, and summarize our investment thesis for Fear. Interested parties are encouraged to download the full report from our website, where we include additional information and exhibits. Let's start with the Ten63 investment thesis. Fear is making a highly calibrated high-conviction bet that Ten63 can crack one of the last remaining great holy grails in oncology drug discovery, developing small molecule inhibitors of the transcription factor MYC, which is implicated in over 70% of all cancers. The company's platform integrates AI-powered molecular design with physics-informed structural biology to target protein-protein interactions, a class of targets that has been largely intractable to drug discovery efforts, particularly for transcription factors like MYC. Key differentiators include 1. Focus on MYC inhibition. Ten63 is among the very few companies with preclinical success targeting MYC directly through small molecules. 2. Expansion to related targets. Programs are also underway to target KRAS variants, beta-catenin, and other oncogenic pathways that have historically been undruggable with small molecules. 3. Hit to lead efficiency. Their physics-AI hybrid approach has shown a greater than tenfold improvement in hit-to-lead efficiency versus traditional screening methods. 4. Improved toxicity profile. Their molecules demonstrate less off-target activity in vivo, which is a critical advantage given the known MYC-linked toxicity challenges. And 5. Intellectual property. The company has filed multiple foundational patents covering both its discovery engine and lead assets. Next, let's discuss the market niche value and evolving landscape. MYC inhibitors represent a high-value niche within oncology. There are currently no approved direct MYC targeting therapies. Other Ten63 targets, such as KRAS, beta-catenin, and the p53 pathway, also represent high unmet need oncology indications. Collectively, these indications represent a global market exceeding $30 billion annually. For example, MYC-driven cancers account for significant shares of triple-negative breast cancer, lung cancer, and hematologic malignancies. Importantly, patient adherence and toxicity remain major issues with current standard of care therapies, which may be addressed with reduced dosing frequency, better tolerability, and pathway-specific efficacy, potentially leading to a superior cost-effectiveness per quality-adjusted life year compared to existing therapies. From a tech push perspective, Ten63's platform aligns with the industry trend toward mechanistically validated AI models as opposed to black box machine learning. While competitors like Recursion and Atomwise also push AI-first biotech, Ten63 is differentiated by its physics-augmented approach grounded in real-world structural design insights. Now let's review the company's status and due diligence findings. Ten63 is a privately held biotech company recently completing a Series B round led by Fear BioCapital. The company is currently valued at approximately $150 to $190 million pre-money. Our due diligence summary includes 1. Scientific validation through collaborations with leading academic centers. 2. An experienced leadership team with prior biotech exits and pharma R&D experience. 3. Patent filings covering both platform IP and individual molecular entities. And 4. In vivo validation of MYC and KRAS-targeted molecules, showing promising tumor regression and safety signals. Finally, let's discuss the expected exit and key catalysts. Fear is likely targeting a 6 to 8 by MOIC, which is a common target for investors in this space over a 3 to 5 year window. They will seek to exit in 2028 or 2029 via a traditional IPO. In this scenario, preferred equity converts and Fear retains a board seat and leads the IPO syndication. Alternatively, there could be a strategic M&A transaction with an exit tied to milestone-based CVRs, for example, tied to phase 3 readouts or regulatory approvals. Exit terms will likely include a 1x liquidation preference, full participation rights, pro-rata follow-on rights in a Series C, and CVRs for upside exposure post-acquisition. Key catalysts to monitor include the 2025 IND submission for the 𝗙𝗏 inhibitor, initial human dosing and safety data in 2026, expansion of pipeline assets into early development in 2027, interim phase 2 data from the MYC program in 2028, which will be a key inflection point for valuation and partnership interest. An IPO or acquisition event is anticipated in 2029, and first marketing approval would come at the earliest in 2030. In conclusion, Fear BioCapital's investment in Ten63 Therapeutics is a precision-timed entry into the next frontier of oncology innovation, targeting previously intractable oncogenic drivers like MYC. Ten63's platform-driven precision oncology approach holds immense promise for patients suffering from some of the most difficult-to-treat cancers. With a strong execution plan and the backing of an experienced investor like Fear, Ten63 is well-positioned to reshape the treatment landscape for these challenging diseases. Thank you for your interest in this report. Please download the full report from our website for more information. Thanks for watching.